I've been meld attacking now for almost 3 years. Keeps me from smoking and drinking all the beers. And when I found my first coin, I could hardly believe my luck. Was a big gold penny just lying in the muck.
Well, good morning, Hammy Hunters, and here we are, we're on another Toddy's Digs, and we're up at Crooked Devon. Toddy says we've done this farm before, but Mucks and I have been ordering it. It doesn't look familiar to us, so it's going to be one of the days. That and the fact that Storm Dennis is here or on its way or whatever. It's dry now. If it stays dry, we'll be quite happy. So we're just waiting on the guys coming. It's going to be a wee bit of a nightmare getting them parked, because we can't get them parked on the farm because the fields are wet and there's no a lot of room on the farm, so we're sort of parking down the road a wee bit, have to walk up. So should be a fun day. Right, so we're just waiting on them coming, as I say, and then we'll catch you on the digs, guys. Well guys, it's been all go this morning. It's 10 o'clock and that's me just getting on. There were a couple of latecomers and but no, so that's me just on the field. But I'm going to try and find a couple of spikes for the farmer before I start doing any digging. But if any of the other guys fun anything, hopefully they'll come up and give me a shout. I can't see me funning anything myself for a wee while. Right, let's get started. An old musket ball. So that's me just starting to dig now. I've dug up about, well I haven't dug up, but I've marked out about 8 spikes for the farmer to dig up with his tractor, so I'll go and get started digging now. Well, we've got a nice wee buckle there. So that's another one for the Dremel. That'll come up a wee treat to. I've got another couple of buckles with me I've cleaned up with the Dremel. If I remember later on, I'll show you them on video. They come up brilliant with the Dremel. Lovely, lovely, nice shiny brass. So hopefully this one's the same. Right guys, I was just showing the guys some of my buckles there that I've cleaned up. Yeah, look at them. Now, when I dug them up, they were just cruddy old things. And I got the, what do you call it, the Dremel on it, kept working down smoother and smoother. And look at the way they come up. Now they were just lying in my junk box. And look at them now, what a difference the Dremel makes on them. So that wee one I've just spun, I'll be getting the Dremel treatment. I think I got a wee turner there. Can't see anything on it now. Maybe once it dries out a wee bit, hopefully I'll see the wee thistle on it or something. But I'm pretty sure it's a wee turner. So I'm going to head in now and get a wee drink of soup and then get back out and get started again. And a wee bag seal there guys. I think it says something like mono something Paris. So I don't think Mucks will have one with Paris on it. He might, never know, but he can get it anyway. I like that one. Talk of the devil and he's sure to appear. Here he comes. I just spun you a bag seal.
Bag seal? I've got plenty of Bronze Age axe back in the car.
Aye, so you've gave up for the rest of the day. They're a bag seal for you.
Where?
Yeah.
Ram it.
What you got? Oh, good. That just there, they knew you got that?
Aye, right where the spade is.
Oh aye, it's looking that way, innit?
Aye.
Left, aye. Well done, mate. Well done. Glad to see something coming up. Well, hello there, Hammy Hunters, and that's it for another day in Toddy's Digs. And it's been a wee bit better than last week. Wasn't it just as, it was blowy, but no as wet and as cold and whatever. Wasn't it really wet last week, was it?
No.
Nah, you're talking
No,
rubbish,
nearly.
Alex. Right, but I don't think there were a lot came up today. Scott got a wee Queen Anne, and I heard one of the new guys with Garrett got a lump of silver, but I never actually saw that. And this guy here got a bit of a Bronze Age accent. Well, so he's trying to say. I think it's just a bit of scrap, but still. Anyway, you want to see my buckles?
No.
Doesn't want to see my buckles, they're brilliant. Right, anyway, I've got a wee buckle, that wee buckle will be getting the Dremel treatment probably tomorrow. Right, so until we meet again next week on another Toddy's Digs, and I'm not going to say where we are because I said last week we were in Perth. It was him that told me. We've been Perth and we're known Perth, so I'm not saying where we are, we'll be somewhere. So until we meet next week on another Toddy's Digs, you guys take care, be safe, good luck, happy hunting. Happy hunting you.
Happy hunting.
So miserable. It's been sitting in the motor for the last 2 hours.
I got my finds.
Aye.
Was a big old penny just lying in the mud. Hey, you can't dig here, you can't dig there, that's what I heard him say. You're gonna have to leave now and don't come back this way. I was looking for some old coins, but I didn't have much luck. He said it was a lame excuse and he didn't give a